A blinking blue power light on your ASUS monitor typically indicates it's in sleep mode or not receiving a signal from your computer or device. This usually means the monitor isn't getting a proper connection. A slow blink every 1 to 2 seconds most commonly means that the monitor is in a low power state or searching for a signal. A faster blink or other color light may indicate a different underlying issue. Start with the basics. Power cycle your monitor by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Also, ensure your computer is fully powered on and not in sleep mode. Visually inspect all cable connections, HDMI, DisplayPort, for damage or loose connections. Try a different power outlet to rule out power supply issues. These simple steps often resolve the blinking blue light issue. Faulty or outdated cables are a common cause of the blinking blue light. Start by trying a different HDMI or DisplayPort cable to rule out cable damage. Next, ensure the cable is securely connected to both the monitor and your computer. Loose connections can interrupt the signal. If you're using an adapter, make sure it's functioning correctly. Check for damage or loose pins that could affect connectivity. Test different ports on both your monitor and your computer. This helps isolate if the issue is with a specific port rather than the cable. Finally, use certified cables like HDMI 2.1 certified ones. These meet standards for reliable signal transmission and can prevent many connection issues. To verify the input source, confirm that your monitor's input setting matches the port you're using on your computer. For example, if you're connected via HDMI, make sure HDMI 1 or HDMI 2 is selected on the monitor. Access the monitor's menu using the menu button, typically located on the front or side of the monitor. This will allow you to navigate to the input or source selection options. In the menu, select the correct input source that matches your connection. While some monitors offer an auto setting that detects inputs automatically, manually selecting the specific input can resolve blinking issues more reliably. Aggressive power-saving settings can cause signal detection issues on ASUS monitors. Adjust your computer's sleep and display settings to prevent automatic shutdowns. In Windows, start by opening the control panel and selecting Power Options. Then adjust the sleep and display settings to longer intervals. For macOS, open System Settings and select Energy Saver. Adjust the display sleep settings to prevent interference with monitor signals. If the blinking blue light persists after basic troubleshooting, check for firmware updates on the ASUS support website. Firmware updates can resolve bugs related to signal detection and compatibility issues. Once downloaded, follow the ASUS instructions carefully to install the firmware. This typically involves connecting the monitor to your computer and running the update tool. Do not turn off the monitor during the update. Try the ASUS Game Visual app, which provides diagnostic tools for signal detection. It can help identify if the monitor is receiving signals properly and allows fine-tuning of display settings to resolve compatibility issues. If you've installed new hardware or software recently, uninstall it temporarily to check for conflicts. Recent drivers or applications can interfere with monitor signal detection, causing the blinking light issue. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and the blinking blue light persists, it might indicate a hardware issue with the monitor or your computer's graphics card. Contact ASUS support or a qualified technician for further assistance. Provide them with details about the troubleshooting steps you've already taken. Note that extended warranties on 2023 to 2025 models often cover cable-related faults.